Today we're going to show you how to get lived-in beach waves. Before applying heat to the hair, always apply a heat protectant spray. To warm up and prep the hair, slide the curling iron through a section with one pass first. The key to getting the undone wave is to start with one twist near the base of the section and turn away from the face. Then let the twist out, slide the curling iron down 1 inch to 2 inches, depending on the length of the hair, and twist again. Leave 1 to 2 inches at the end of the section to pull the curling iron straight through. That is what will make the curls look effortless. Repeat these steps throughout the head, always remembering to turn away from the face. Thanks for watching, and keep your eye out for more Garbo's how-to videos.